And you see that how it's feeling really nicely on the nails. Okay, I'm gonna wipe up on one end. And then we are going to fill a little bit more into the close to the cuticles where the natural nail is growing out. And you're floating. Great. Here for 60 seconds. With the tip extension glue gels. Wanna be back tomorrow with this charms on the nails. Really cute, simple, and easy. But I didn't want everyone to saying it's really late. Super easy. And then after that, you're just using alcohol, 99% alcohol, and then wipe off the residues. And then you can using file 180 and 100 to just shape. It's already still the shape, but then I was saying like a lot of questions were asked how often you can fill. You can fill as many times you would like to. However, if you want to keep maintaining the shape, like say for instance, if you are going to do a coffins or stiletto or almonds, is so many times that you're feeling it just to change completely the shape of the nail. So, you know, 1 time, 2 times is good. And then if you are want to get a precise shape, it suggests to be, you know, new set every 8 weeks, which is like 2 times yours going to fill. So I'm not using 99% alcohol and wipe off the residues. And then just give it a really shape, like easy shaping. Give a little bit shape. Still the shape still looks really nice. I did use the stiletto medium this time. And just buff like a 5 on the edges on the side to keep it nice and precise. And now if you don't have an e-file, you want to just like shape on the side, it should be good and it's not gonna have any issue with lifting or as I feel earlier, you can see that we're just like really gentle close to the cuticles. You don't want to let it flutter around the cuticles at all. And that's it. And I'm gonna using the buff. Just like this set, I did almost like what was a week and a half, I think. But my nails growing so fast. Make sure that is good. Perfect. So I'm gonna using the alcohol and just remove all the dust. And then start polishing the colors that you are going to do. So I'm gonna go ahead and using the beige gels again. Really thin coat most so you don't have much in on your bristle at all. Apply 1 thin coat of the beige gels. Here, 10 seconds. Let me see, I forgot to do the pinky. I'm thinking to do a pinky after, but I can get both of them done at the same time. Second. And the colors again I am going to use is the beige. So we're gonna use that. All right, so I'm gonna using beige. I love these colors. Like wipe up on one side of the bristle and keep the other size kind of anchor beads. I'm gonna do it, keep it, apply it close to the cuticles, and then keep your bristles like have a parallels with the nails. Same thing with the pinky. Spread it closer to the cuticle. Here for 60 seconds. This is how super easy and simple. That's how you're doing it. You'll feel for your tip extension glue gels. And then I using, can you get me this? Hello everyone, thanks so much for tuning in, and of course happy Tuesday and also Wednesday. So I did this on my nails, which is stiletto mediums, and then I just did a refill. It's really quick refills when the nails is growing out. Your clients come back in like 2, 3, or 4 weeks. And if his condition is still good, you can able to do fill. You can able to do fill as well. It's like a couple times for fills. It's great. So then that way they're still able to enjoying it without have to do a new set. And also it's really nice and quick and easy. And then also if the clients really want to keep the maintain the same shape, I mean, and then structure, they should get the they should change it to the new set. They should get completely a new set in order to keep it really nice and with all the shape they prefer. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a second coat all the way. I love these colors. And also it's really fun in giveaways post on our Instagram. They are the posts for this collections going on, and then the best name will win the full collection of 6 colors of a newest, like have a nude color. So have fun naming them. We need help to name them. There are 6 colors you can name. I have the swatch right here. I can show you in a minute. This one. Use this as a feel, and then here's the 6 color on the post. You can definitely participate and name the collection. The names is all named for the each colors, but we need help to name the whole collection. So you're gonna find it on our reels, and the winner will be announced on the 18th of this week. On the 18th. What is today? Today is 16. 2 more days. So the winner will be announced, and the best name of the collection will wins completely of 6 color, the whole collection of that nude collection, and 6 colors, completely 6 color. All right, so 2 coat already. I'm gonna go ahead and using a wipe top coat and completely seal. And then cure for 60 seconds. Wow, that is super easy, simple and easy. We're gonna thinking doing this one. This color looks good. You good? Thanks everyone. Thanks so much for tuning in. And then I'm gonna go ahead and when it finished, I'm gonna put some cuticle oil on, and then that is amazing is Couture Organics cuticle and for nails oil from Vicky. Looks really good. It's not only looks beautiful, but it's absolutely is a must and a needs for your cuticles and your nails. Yep, it's completely dry, but then I'm gonna go ahead and do the top coat underneath too. I like that to do a top coat underneath. Can't see. Because it look clear coat. I mean a clear tips. Okay, 60 seconds and then it'll be good. And put this on. Awesome. Is that good? Just 60 seconds. To take care, you can see how dry my nails is after using all the alcohol and everything. And just rub it. I need more. Use a whole hand. My hand is so dry after all this alcohol. I never seen my nails with like no crystal at all. Just temporary. Well, tomorrow we're gonna do crystal. Okay, let me show you the final look. Just be sure to rub it all. Did it look so oily? How does that look?